Hello sports fans, it's Ralph Luck. Welcome to RVing with Luck. Today's video is just going to be me messing around with my drone for the first time since about June. I just feel great after my medical procedure. My heart seems to be beating normal, and man, got out that drone, went outside and did a little filming, and here's me practicing with it.
Splice Originals.
So I hope you enjoyed that calm, relaxing music, and there'll be much more drone footage in the future since I feel great and I've got the basics of it down. Thanks for watching. Please smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel. Be positive, be nice, be active.